Home-based Erick Ooko shot a total of 6 under par 282 over 4 rounds to win the 4th leg of the Kenya Open qualifying series at Royal Nairobi Golf Club today. There are 2 more legs remaining, with the 5th set for Windsor next week. The Professional Golfers of Kenya has organized the series to fill 18 slots in addition to 4 exempted slots for the Kenya Open, which is set for the 22nd to the 25th of March at the Muthaiga Golf Club. Meanwhile, Kenya Breweries has announced a 6 million shilling sponsorship of the Kenya Open through its Johnny Walker brand, and this is an increment from the 1 million shillings from last year.
We are very happy to be associated with Kenya Open. As you're aware, East African Breweries has been for a long time associated with sports in this country.
This year's edition of the Kenya Open is important to us as a body, because it represents the 50th year since the Kenya Open was first played in 1967. And we are cognizant of the fact that it would not have been possible for us to be where we are without the support of breweries, where they were actually the title sponsor for 10 years.